Theta is going to hit $500. This news may come off as a shock to some of y'all, but we are here today to prove it to you that this coin has some serious potential gains written in its future. How much time will it take for the coin's price to rise? And can you expect large returns in the short term? Stay tuned till the end to find out more. If you followed the crypto market, you definitely would have heard of Theta, a coin that even though may not be the most famous in the market, but according to our research, is definitely capable of giving you some strong returns. Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Insights. In this video, we'll go over the most recent Theta price forecasts for 2022, 2025, and beyond. We've got you covered because we'll go over everything from how Theta differs from other currencies in terms of addressing the majority of native blockchain issues to Theta price estimates for the next 10 years up to the present day. But before we get into the Theta price projection and start talking about figures, let's take a look at the history and a basic review of data in the market and how it is assisting the blockchain in addressing its issues. We'll do our best to respond to these frequently asked questions. Is it wise to invest in Theta? What will Theta be worth in 2025? What will Theta be worth in 10 years? So, without further ado, let's get started. What is Theta? Theta is a cryptocurrency that supports Theta's decentralized video delivery network, which is powered by users on a cutting-edge blockchain. Theta is an open source protocol that allows vertical decentralized apps to be created on top of the platform to enable esports, music, television, movies, education, enterprise conferencing, peer-to-peer streaming, and more. I am eager and delighted to be an important role participant in the growing landscape of video streaming now that technology has started becoming the dominant force in the decentralized peer-to-peer network. Theta gonna utilize most of it, says Mr. Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube. Price prediction. With the exponential rise of the digital advertising industry, finding a balance among advertisers, publishers, and end users has never been more important. With the general public becoming more familiar with social networking and video tools, there is a growing need for ad blocking software, which is currently installed on over 600 million smartphones and laptops. With so much money and time spent on viewers' personal information, synchronizing the complete networking functionality and trimming the unneeded has become a massive task. On a paradigm basis, the following variables need to be examined. Advertisers pay publishers in tokens to get their commercials in front of consumers, while users earn Theta for watching ads. Advertisers benefit from greater level of accuracy because attention is measured in the Brave browser using ML machine learning technology. Theta's price journey has been marred by small price shifts. It had only begun its trip in 2018 with a price of roughly 20 cents, and there has been no looking back till 2020. Theta price forecast somersaulted in the previous year, completely changing the trend. Theta has been on a remarkable trip from the beginning to the end of the year. After all is said and done, Theta's trend has been quite aggressive, pointing to a very promising path in which the coin may expand in leaps and bounds, particularly for alliances based on a year of historical data. The price of Theta has been rising steadily over the last year and is now on an upward trend. Experts weigh in on Theta price predictions. While some experts are optimistic about Theta's price estimate, others are more cautious in granting you Theta's wide liberties. According to our predictions, a long-term growth is expected. View of experts. Theta, which is based on a logical algorithm, has short-term rallies and possible long-term benefits. By the end of January 2022, the Theta price may have reached its target of 17. According to CryptoGround, Theta has a bright future. It may be impacted slightly, but bulls will return in 2024 and its price could skyrocket to $60.19. Theta sounds highly bullish, according to the long-term technical team, because it has shown consistent consistency. By the end of January 2022, the price should easily swing around 17. According to Trading Beasts, regardless of its adoption, the Theta price will be hot until January 2022. Based on predictions that bulls will return, Theta price should end up slightly higher by 2024, at best to $31.47. According to Government Capital, many Theta projects are going from concept to testing, and by the end of the year, a significant number of projects will have been finished and Theta might reach $50 by 2025. Coinpedia Theta price prediction 2021. This is nothing short of fantastic news. What started at $2 has grown to $8 and is now trading around $10.81 in just 5 months. As a result, the market sentiment phenomena to buy and sell has risen dramatically, and traders and investors have begun wagering on the long-term price of Theta for investment purposes. As a result, price forecasts for Theta for the entire year show rather positive indicators, suggesting that the token may soar to around $20 in September and by December might be pegged at 25 points. Following the current pattern versus the US dollar, there are expectations that Theta is ready for an uptrend sign even in the year 2022. Especially given how it is trading within the constraints of a symmetrical triangle. On the hourly chart, the Theta coin might run parallel to the same positive trend lines with a target of $30. According to news of shorter and longer price trends in crypto predictions, the end of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be as promising for Theta coin in terms of escalation, especially with rivals catching up the heat or the market reflecting significant volatility. There's a chance that Theta will suffer a loss, exhibiting some resistance but only a minor dip back to support levels of $20. However, by the end of 2023, Theta will have reached a price of $50 to $52. Cryptocurrency prognosis for the long run. A jaw-dropping potential does not exist in the market, according to Theta Price Prediction 2024. And bulls will ride the crypto market. With the performance of price pegged around $60, it is projected that Theta will once again rule the cryptocurrency kingdom, demonstrating that Theta has the full potential to not only endure but also expand consistently even in bad conditions. 2025 Theta price prediction this year is expected to be the benchmark year, with the price of Theta coin expected to exceed an average of $70. No major events, such as a pandemic or a recession, are predicted to disrupt the foundations of global economies. The majority of the harm done in the international economies and the crypto market, Theta future price prediction 2025 and beyond is projected to be on the path to restoration efforts. Expert cryptocurrency investors always plan for the long term rather than the short term. With a little patience and a lot of hope, long-term investors can expect a turnaround by the end of 2025 as Theta adoption grows exponentially. Frequently asked questions about Theta. When will Theta no longer be a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrencies and become a seasoned player? Is there a future for Theta? Theta is one cryptocurrency that will have a bright future riding the crypto wave. It will rule the digital kingdom and thus have a long reign as a means of payment. Is it wise to invest in Theta? Due research is always recommended as a crucial component here. There should be no heartbreaks or overblown expectations if you buy or sell deliberately while taking a calculated risk. Is Theta a rip-off or a genuine platform? Despite all of the controversy and disputes, Theta exhibits a highly vibrant and dynamic ecosystem, indicating that it is a legitimate platform. When can you buy Theta? At the moment, you can purchase Theta on major cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance. Once you've established a trading account in one of the Theta exchanges, you'll need to move your Bitcoin or ETH currency from Coinbase to that exchange via a wallet system. Why is the credit being erased by Theta? For that reason, investors have put their faith in the asset, and it is a great reason that Theta is listed on the exchange to show a great performance, which triggers investors' response and shows a lot of motivational sentiment in the market. So it's no surprise that the token has been steadily rising. That concludes today's video. Have you made an investment on Theta? If not, do you intend to? Please let us know in the comment box below. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to NFT Insights. A coin like Theta is one that certainly should be considered to be a part of your portfolio. Of course, after conducting active research, as we are only here to provide our take on this situation and are not providing any sorts of financial advice. Having said that, we thank you for taking the time to watch. Happy money making!